It's like in his nostril. I feel bad that I'm doing this. No.
Get it, Gunner.
Get it.
Gunner. Gunner. Look.
No more peanut butter.
He looks like one of those anteater things, his tongue popping out. An aardvark.
Yeah, that He still can't get it off. Now I don't know if it's the sauce or peanut butter. I think the Tabasco sauce has something to do with it too.
I see him start like whipping his head back.
You press buttons with your butt.
Gunner.
Stop licking it! Ew!
Oh, that's what you get for rubbing peanut butter on his nose.
That's gross, Gunner. You just wiped that on my leg.
Gunner, look.
Watch, it doesn't get it on you now. So you've got for giving me Tabasco sauce.
I didn't give him Tabasco sauce. I wouldn't do anything like that. This is funny though. Keeps him occupied.
That's Gunner, here, like my hand.
He's getting it.
How's that taste?